Travis Scott has launched his own McDonald's meal deal. And this one, it showed up 2 times in my news.
Yeah.
And I was thinking to myself, what can I do with this? Can I? And then I read a little bit about it and I realized, okay, this is newsworthy because this doesn't happen. Collaborations with apparel companies and sneakers and this kind of stuff happens all the time, Will. McDonald's does not collaborate on meals.
No.
In fact, I'm going to put you on the spot right now and ask you when the last time McDonald's collaborated on a meal or an item and who it was they collaborated with.
I would say Raptors, right? They have that deal. Yeah. You get free fries for Raptors sinking in, I think, 12 threes or something.
Oh, they do promos
Beyond
like
the
that.
arch.
They do promos like that, but I'm talking about a celebrity endorsement type of situation.
Well, that's not what you originally said, did you?
But I thought that was granted, because it's Travis Scott. It's a
Right.
one guy.
Yeah, it's not the whole team.
It's a one guy thing, and it's a different item too. This is the key. It's a custom item with a guy's name on it. Because Will, with the Raptors thing, they got a promo. They probably have some marketing material and advertising, but ultimately you're just getting the fries.
Yeah.
So, who was it, Will?
I don't know.
It was Michael Jordan in 1992, and our pal Brad Hall did an entire video about it. One of his greatest videos. He goes and orders the McJordan.
Oh.
And I mean, obviously he's Michael Jordan #1 fan. How to order a McJordan. And even though the McJordan is not on the menu, you can still order it as a custom order.
Yeah.
And that's what he does in this particular video. One of the best videos on the entire internet over here. Easily. So the real McJordan was available back in 92, and it was mostly just different toppings
Okay.
than you would normally have. I think, it had barbecue sauce and mustard. I think it might have had a bacon strip. You got yourself a McJordan, as he states here. So who knows? Maybe you'll do your very own McJordan sometime soon. But let's talk about Travis Scott's Cactus Jack X McDonald's collaboration.
Oh.
Here's what this is going to be. It's going to be priced at $6, and you're going to get a quarter pounder with cheese, bacon, lettuce, fries, barbecue sauce, and a Sprite for $6. They're going to do some charitable stuff. Some of the proceeds are going to go towards charity during the entirety of the month-long promotion. It's going to be available next week, starting September 8th, and it will go till October 4th. And so McDonald's, a couple of interesting things there, opening up the doors to sort of more modern collaborations and people having fun with it.
Yeah. It's just weird that it's Travis Scott.
But Travis Scott has been getting all the collabs. His agent, somebody needs to congratulate his agent. Yeah. He pulled off the Fortnite deal.
Yeah, the live concert.
The live concert was enormous. He pulled off he had the Cybertruck in the music video.
Oh yeah.
He pulled off the Tesla deal. Now he's got his own McDonald's meal. These are not easy deals to pull off, Will. You know how many people are involved? All these meetings and Zoom conference calls and...
Oh, yeah. I know a little bit about that.
Pull all that stuff off, and you got to decide on the ingredients. You got to get on a call and say, look, my quarter pounder got to have cheese, bacon, lettuce, fries, barbecue sauce, and a Sprite. And then they got to go scratch their heads and be like, can we... What is it, 1 patty, 2 patty? What are we going to... And he says, got to be affordable. Got to be $6. Yeah. And then they got the whole team, and they got the suits and everything else. It's tough, man. Anyway, go check it out. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of Instagram posts people picked up. There'll probably be special wrap to go with it or something.
Yeah.
And people can get excited about it, man.